What's good, YouTube? We're back. Kind of having an off day today, but I figured I just need to do something. But it's never perfect. You know what I'm saying? So here's what it is. I have my struggles with PTSD and all this other shit from the military and all that stuff. And I get triggered sometimes, and sometimes I get a little like, oh, fuck this. I don't feel like doing nothing. I just want to crawl up and just be angry and pissed off at everybody. But can't do that. And just realize, like, oh, I just gotta start moving, get up, and get myself active, do something, and then kind of work my way through it, work my way out of it. And that's what I'm doing. So we're back in the garage, and as you saw from the last video I think I posted, I did the front carpet in the Targa. So now I'm gonna start cutting this thing out. So I went ahead and moved the shark nose out, so I'm gonna do everything on this side, laying everything out, and hopefully get a good idea. Once I get everything out, I'm gonna clean it, get my supplies that I need, and begin to slowly put the new carpet in. So today's video will be just going over the disassembly process and bring you guys along on that. So again, it's your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast. Comment, subscribe, keep giving you guys content regardless of the fact. And then also, you don't have perfect days. Shit don't gotta be perfect. It don't gotta be ideal, but you can go out and you can do something. You can get after. You can still go take some type of steps towards whatever it is you're doing, and it's better than nothing. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. So let's get to it. Get some music on and get the show on the road. Let's go. Alright, the interior is out, and as you can see, I tried to lay it out in reference to where it was at when I took it out. Lots of little pieces, center console piece, passenger side, rear seats out, rear speaker deck, and then this is what we're left with. Interior. So this is a sound deadening. I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm not taking that out. Console just dangling over there. One of the rear seat bolts, I had to. It wouldn't come out, so I had to cut it. Luckily, I'm not reusing the rear seats, so Cool, no biggie there. Loosen that up. Vacuumed out everything. Yeah. So it's ugly. Hot mess in here, but it is what it is. So I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm very tired. I got a can of spray adhesive there just to kind of prep. But yeah. So I think after that I'll clean out some more, try to get some of this old glue off, and then start preparing for the new carpet. So that's what it all looks like out of the car. Crazy. But that's it for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Keep being great. What is good, YouTube? We are back. Day 2 of the, what is it? What should I call this? I guess deconstruction. Getting the Targa prepped for new carpet, and it's kind of wanted to bring you guys along in my thought process on what I have going on. So took everything out, as you can see here. The seats, all the carpet is actually underneath, so I've matched the panels. Some of the other panels I'm not sure, but I'll figure that out as I go. But what I'm going to end up doing now, and I said that I wasn't going to do, but I am going to do. I'm in my doctor's chair right now. So, my laziness. All right. So, as you can see here, this is old deadening. So I'm gonna take this out, take the old stuff out, get all the glue off. I got a metal brush that I'm gonna use to kind of get all the residue off. I'm gonna continue to get the rest of the residue off of here. I got some new 1/4-inch foam, seafoam deadening that I'm going to use, sound deadening I'm going to use. So I'll put that there as well. And yeah. And then I might do it down here. So maybe do a panel here. And then I might do one here as well. Or maybe just the back end of the car. So yeah, we'll see. But definitely gonna do that. So that's what I saw online, is that a lot of people would do the deadening over top of this, so then that way the carpet can kind of lay more. It's not it doesn't look noticeable that it's over this hump thing. So I'm gonna try to work with that as well. And then I think also what I'm gonna do today is start cutting templates from the existing carpet to the new carpet. So let's go back over there. Doctor's chair. So yeah, as you can see, the carpet laid out everywhere. It's insane. And then this is the rear deck as well. In the RS kit, they don't have, speakers, right? So I have to figure out if I want to retain the speakers or if I want to, I guess, pretty much cut a hole and put the speakers in the RS carpet. I do like having my music, not gonna lie. And then, yeah. So other stuff, just gotta do a quick look over, especially this here center portion. So, cutting that, punching holes, and all that stuff is what I'll be doing today. So let's get this show on the road. Alrighty, so here's where we are now. Got a lot of the fuzz and stuff off. I just, as you saw from the video, I just used a metal brush here, wire brush on my drill. Just got a lot of it off, loosened up and stuff. So I think we're pretty much good as we're gonna get. Wires up there. So yeah, so again, put some deadening here. I'm gonna use the existing template when I get that and cut it so it fits perfect. I'll put some deadening in here. So just cut here and there, over the hump, and yeah, and then I'll probably put some down here as well, just to really tighten it up pretty good. But that's pretty much it. So I think now what I'm gonna do, start working my way to this stuff. I set up my little table outside. It's a beautiful day out, so I can kind of work through some of these things, get some cuts going. So yeah, it's crazy, but making good progress. And yeah, proud of myself. Doing a good job. Let's keep going. Alrighty, so let's see. I forgot to turn the camera on, but I went ahead and cut the some of the holes, like for the shifter here, the wires that go through the front there, the e-brake here. If I gotta cut more, I'll cut more. Hole here. That one. Some relief cuts on that. Still trying to figure out how this, I think this is the side panel, so I just don't know how that all works. Like for this, you know, or the, so the seatbelt thing is, I think that's what this is. I just gotta figure out how it all works and how to put it on. So still got that to sort out. The rear deck. So I want to keep my speakers, so I'm just gonna keep the stock rear deck, which is fine because it still matches the door cards. So that's all set there. So yeah, now I'm waiting for my sound deadening to come. And I started to lay that out. Luckily, you know, after taking off all of this, you know, don't see any rust pockets or anything like that, which is a good sign. So that's good. Let's see, what else? Everything else, I don't know how these two pieces go. I think it's along the front. I don't know. I have to do some research on that one. Of course, this is the floor pedal carpet, but I have the run line thing. I might put this behind the run line and then put the run line in front of it. Front mats. This goes around the gas pedal there. Again, probably end up cutting that just so I can see the black run line things. And same for this as well. I want to have the run line pedals exposed, so floorboards exposed. But other than that, I don't know where this goes either. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So things to note, just want to lay everything out. You want to cut templates with your existing carpet because that's the best, reference to have, of course. And so far so good. I think everything is looking good. Solid kit. Whatever resources I use to install, I will put links down into the description when I begin the install. But if not, then you just know I just figured it out on my own, or I reached out to the company. The guy is super responsive, and he will, help out best he can, because he actually has an air-cooled SC that he put his kit in as well. So that's always good. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and head in the house. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and so chill with the fam. So catch you guys on the next one. It's gonna be a ride, but I'm here for it. Keep being great. Peace.